Good morning, guys. I'm headed to the farm to visit Sophie. I hope you have a good Sunday morning. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Like and share. And I'll show you more what's happening in the farm every weekend. I go over there only on the weekend, on my off days. Which hat do I look best? This one or this one? We have to wear a hat during the summer season, especially the sun, when you're walking in the sun to protect our skin and put moisturizer. You have to put a lot of moisturizer. Just rub on your face when you are walking on the sun. I'll share you what kind of moisturizer I'm using. We have to use moisturizer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.